Myself, Professor Pawar VK from Department of Geography, J.A.T Art, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. On behalf of this video presentation, I welcome you all. For resettlement of 14,124 project affected families in Gujarat, there is requirement of 82 rehabilitation sites, and for 18,890 projects affected families in Madhya Pradesh, there is need of 98 resettlement sites. There is an urgent need of civic amenities like schools, panchayat bhavans, community halls, internal roads, drinking water facilities, pasture lands, religious places, community meeting places or halls, hospitals, cremation grounds, etc. For these settlements, rehabilitants have also to be supplied the electric power and telecommunication facilities. However, there are problems of landless Aussies and those natives who were cultivating forest lands. This section 16 of the Act has provision for each compensation. Sometimes additionally, the project may provide employment to the Aussies. According to Sundarlal Bahuguna, one of the strong opponents of Tehri Dam project and well-known environmental activist, the big dams are being constructed everywhere in tribal or hilly areas. The people of these regions are being uprooted to provide power to big cities, industries, and irrigation for comparatively more prosperous areas. This is unethical. The locals are affected by sudden rise in prices of essential commodities. Their scarce resources of water, fuel, etc. are explored, leaving nothing for them. Although these multi-purpose river valley projects such as big dams have provisions for providing suitable rehabilitation to Aussies, but there is no suitable provision to rehabilitate those people who live in the villages of the marginal areas of mountain slopes, which become very fragile and might slide down in near future after the reservoirs are filled with water. Moreover, the displacement of local residents with their typical mountain living, lifestyle and culture, and resettlement to other places having totally different social and environmental setup causes many socio-economic problems among Aussies. Number one is rehabilitation of Aussies in low-lying areas and in the plains deprive them of forest produce which they use to get for the sustenance of their life. They are also deprived of drinking water which they use to get from natural springs and streams. Second is their productive systems are dismantled and their agricultural land, productive assets and sources of income are also lost. Number third is the hill environment that had conditioned their lifestyle and provided these people some unique qualities such as hard work, honesty, bravery, etc. bestowed in the topographic characteristics of the hills. In most of them is likely to be lost due to competition of resources after they are settled in new areas. The next project is Tehri Dam. The 260.5 meter high Tehri Dam on the Bhagirathi River in the Garhwal of Himalayas of Uttarakhand is being built to bring prosperity by generating 2400 megawatt peaking power, which according to builders of the dam will help in establishing 140 industrial cities such as Modi Nagar in Uttar Pradesh near Delhi, providing 300 cusecs of water to meet the water supply needs of Delhi and irrigating 2.7 lakh hectares of land in western Uttar Pradesh. The project was signaled after 3 decades of long campaign against the project by the noted activist and strong opponent of Tehri Dam, Sundarlal Bahuguna, the propagator of Chipko movement. The Tehri Dam would affect about 10,000 residents of the Tehri town and cause the displacement to loom or long population. The settlement and rehabilitation of Asst would become a serious problem.